Prairie Homes brought the wow factor to this 50-foot plan in Cambridge Crossing. Perfect way to kick off day 2 of our 90-day challenge. The moment you step in, you get that soaring 2-story foyer, the private office, and the clean, modern Prairie look. Let's check it out.
But right off to the right of the home, you've got this nice sized office. I love the tall ceilings.
Yeah, this is a grand office. I like this a lot.
Yeah, I like how, when they're in the front of the home, you have all that light coming through, which I like. And it's just a good office space. Enough about work though. Let's come on through here. The stairway is a little different, right? So it's tucked away off of the study there.
Where they've positioned the laundry rooms in a different place too.
Yeah, it's at the front of the home as well.
Mm-hmm. And it looks like they have a little nook type thing over here. Let's see.
Yeah, I think that's because of the stairs.
Well, they've got their printer right there right now, but it's a nice little space to put, some cleaning supplies.
Yeah, not sure if that's standard or not. Here you've got a nice little coat closet. Again, 8-foot doors, which is nice.
And this is the wall.
This is going to be the wall for the garage.
Mm-hmm.
So keep coming through into the heart of the home. And here you go. What do you think of this kitchen and this great room, Patrice?
I like how it's big and open, and I do really love that buffet over there.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I could totally picture, we're filming this in November. It's a couple weeks before Thanksgiving. You got the holidays coming up. I can just see, all the different platters out here. You've got your TV, entertaining, all that. Dining space and a big giant island. What are your thoughts on this?
I like the island. It's a good size. It's got the sink in it, which you don't always love, but they've given you enough space.
It's big. It's like a big square. Normally they're like longer rectangle, but this is like a big giant square. This doesn't bother me when it overlooks the whole house, as well as like you were mentioning, you have all that space. So it's not really taken away from it. It's just in addition to.
Yeah, see there you get to look at, your guests and everything. You can still be involved in the conversation, which is nice. And then I do love that they've got the double ovens, of course.
Double ovens, they've got everything that you want, it's nice quality. I wish, and again, you can design it however you want, but I wish they had drawers here.
Drawers, yeah, we like the drawers. Some people don't.
Yeah.
And then they've got decent sized snack closet.
Again,
one of the things
HEB approved.
Yeah, and one of the things I always have loved about Perry is the way they, just finish off the shelves and stuff in there. It's just a nice touch.
Yeah, I like this hood, range hood.
Yeah, that's
I like
nice.
the style of it. And again, I do love that buffet. And then this dining area, it's kind of one of those stacked deals. Some people choose to have this or not. Some people don't even put anything here, really.
Yeah, we don't use our dining table that often, so.
Yeah, but here you've got your nice fireplace, TV, you've got your windows. Now this is showing it without sliders. You can option it with sliders if you want, but what I like about it when they show it without the sliders is that one, you're not losing anything with that natural light, right? So you get all that light pouring in, but again, it's so much easier for furniture placement. And the one thing I will say about sliders here in North Texas is there's probably a good 3 or 4 months that it's not practical to be using because of the heat, right?
Yeah, that's very true.
So it's one of those trade-offs. Is it worth it? They're, 10, 15 grand. You start adding all the pros and cons of it, and a lot of people love the look, but it's not necessarily as practical as you would think. Now come on through here. Here is the primary, and this thing is big.
I know, and I love the big 4 windows right
Look
there.
at this. All these windows, everything. It feels like it's elongated. Like they added another 7 feet. I mean, this thing is long.
Yeah. It really is. It's nice. Very nice room.
I like it. I mean, you have a sitting area and a coffee table.
Yeah, that shows you how much space you have there. Then they have that nice bathtub right there, the nice soaking tub. I like that. Nice
soaking tub. I like how what they do here with the windows, so you don't have to put coverings. It still allows that light to come in, but you're not,
Yeah,
showcasing.
Yeah, they're obscured enough that you.
What I like about this bathroom, a couple things, Patrice.
Okay.
I like that it's split vanities.
Yeah, you really like that.
I really like the split vanities. I like the soaking tub. I like that option, even though we don't use tubs. You know, it's nice to have that option. But not only do you have split vanities, a tub, all that good stuff, you also have this big shower. Really good space. Now I would put a rain head here, maybe option it with a bench or something. But yeah, this is nice, and it's step down, everything.
Yeah. Woo.
Needs some WD-40.
Yeah, it does. But I also like that it has 2 closets.
That's what I was gonna say as well. And it has 2 closets. So we're just, you know,
separating
everything.
Separate.
No mixing and matching. But yeah, this is a really nice primary bath. I like it. Now, there is another bedroom downstairs. So this is a 4-bedroom home. So you've got 2 downstairs and 2 upstairs. And wait till you see the upstairs. You guys are gonna be blown away. But right down here, first of all, you've got a powder bath.
That's a nice little powder bath. I always like when they have the lights underneath the cabinet.
Yeah, it just gives it that extra oomph, right? And it's not a huge upgrade. I mean, it's not like it's, you know, but it just gives you that sense of luxury here. Then you've got this downstairs secondary bedroom, either for a kid, aging parent. It's got its own ensuite, which is nice.
Yeah, it's a good size bathroom.
And then you've got this closet.
Okay.
These closets I've seen, you know, it's sort of weird to me. It's like a regular closet. I mean, it looks like a walk-in closet, but they've only got like a short.
Yeah, you almost want them to put it the other way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's just weird. But anyway, it holds plenty of clothes. It's fine. Downstairs is great. What is upstairs? I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love it. Let's go. All right, now we are upstairs, and again, all this natural light pouring in. I love it. You've got a window over the landing with the stairway, and then 3 matching big windows right here in the lofty area. You've got a big ping pong, right? But I mean,
I love that ping pong table. That's nice.
yeah, but I mean, it could be a pool table, whatever you want. You can imagine it, right? Then it overlooks all this, which is nice. And then right here is my favorite part of the house, and that is the media room. I do wish that this was downstairs, but it is upstairs. At least you have it, but it's good size. What do you think?
Yeah, it's decent. I mean, it's not huge by any means.
No.
So if you have a large family, this may not be the best size for you, but how often do you have everybody in there at once?
On Sundays, Patrice, you know, it's NFL season.
That's true.
You know, all those cowboy games. Then down here, you've got a full bath. All right, so here we are in the secondary bedroom, and this is a really good size. Now, that bathroom that you just saw right here for guests is also what this person's gonna use, this bedroom would use. It's got a little walk-in closet, similar as to the one that we just showed.
Yeah. They all seem to have the same size, so there's going to be no arguments there.
No arguments there, but Patrice, there's going to be an argument here because this is where your favorite kids
Or
room.
if you have 2 boys and a girl like we do, it makes it a lot easier because the girl just gets
Hey, it is what
the room
it
with
is,
the
right?
bathroom.
I mean, come on now. We all know how it works. Here you go with the ensuite bath.
Okay.
And that is it for Perry. 50-foot lots. Like I said, they've got 19 different floor plans that you can choose from. 10 single-story, 9 two-story options.
That is
so
a lot of mind-boggling decisions right there.
If you love Perry homes, you love the style, you love the lot locations, all that good stuff, I'm absolutely positive we can find you the right floor plan that's going to match what you want exactly.